It's cool they're actually filming these things in Oregon,
Yeah.
Josh. I know a lot of times we see shows and they're set in Portland, but then they're not actually. They're like,
and we're like,
they're filmed in
not
Vancouver.
home.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yeah. They're probably going to see some rain though while they're here filming.
Yes, I hope that was kind of in their grand scheme of things.
Right.
You know, being in the Pacific Northwest,
You would think.
No stranger to the rain. But more is definitely going to start to take shape here in the coming days as we prepare for the wet weather. Views earlier this morning in downtown Portland showing those dark storm clouds once again returning, as many of us are maybe packing our umbrellas as we expect to see the wet weather take us through the rest of this afternoon and into the evening hours as we give you the grand tour here across the Pacific Northwest. Raining out towards southwest Washington, up in elevation, seeing a rain-snow mix out towards Mount Hood Meadows, and just about the same for much of the coastline as our temperatures are suffering because of that cloud coverage, falling back into the mid-50s at this point in time, and that's down almost 10 degrees in the Portland metro area compared to where we were this time just yesterday, but slightly on the warmer side further to the south in places like Eugene, Lane County, but expecting to see those temperatures start to slide backwards as well as we see this latest front move its way through our area. 54 degrees is where we currently sit, keeping those mid-50s for us into the afternoon and evening hours as the wet weather continues to find its way down towards the ground. There you go, no short supply of the wet weather, pressing its way from the west to the east, picking up on just a few snowflakes all above about 4,500 feet as our rain gauges already starting to fill up out towards Astoria. Kelso picking up a little bit more than 1/10 of an inch. Now this is good to see as our above average rain accumulation had been sitting about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, shrinking to about 2/10 of an inch. But we are expecting to see the return of more of that moisture to help to fill back up the rain gauge and keeping us with a little bit more of a surplus. On average for the month of May, we typically pick up about 2.5 inches, making this the 8th driest month, or wettest month, I should say, of the year, where we typically pick up again over about 2.5 inches as warm weather just remains offshore. This cool pocket of air, the culprit for not only the cool down, but also the return of the wet weather. But it's in and out of here within about the next 48 hours. Mild temperatures and dry skies once again returning as we work our way into Thursday. So here it is all timed out with our futurecast, keeping the wet weather trend and the nice onshore flow into the afternoon and evening hours today. Seeing some stronger downpours over the high terrain of the Cascades, indicated by those yellows, oranges, and reds. Then once we move through the overnight hours tonight into the start of the day tomorrow, seeing some of the rain showers and the clouds break apart. A little bit of sunshine. That will help to warm up the atmosphere and allow for some instability to develop. That's where we could potentially see 1 or 2 of these stray showers develop into a very quick moving thunderstorm, bringing some heavier rain showers, but also filling up the rain gauge, which is what we like to see, nearing about 1/2 inch by the time we get to Thursday. But again, that thunderstorm potential just over the high terrain of the Cascades. Heavy rain showers, small hail possibility, and of course, can't rule out the chance for some lightning and thunder as our friends out towards the Midwest dealing with severe and potentially deadly thunderstorms later this afternoon. Temperatures along the coast, mid-50s for us, wet and windy day, and we will see those highs struggle to get warmer than the upper 50s. Out east, cooling things down, increasing the cloud coverage with that rain-snow mix up in elevation. 7-day forecast does paint a bit of a turbulent week ahead, drying things out Thursday, returning our highs into the upper 60s. But look, end of the weekend to Memorial Day, mid-70s and more sunshine.
I love it.
I do too.
Okay, we'll be right back. Stick around.